Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Shihu Township in Miaoli County used to be a major rice-producing area, but has now mainly switched to pomelos. In March and April, tourists flock to Shihu to see the flowering of the pomelo trees. Pomelos are a staple part of the Moon Festival, as they ripen just as the festival approaches. Also located in Shihu is an old Hakka home and a memorial center to Wu Zholiu, a famous Hakka poet.
苗栗西湖从前以种稻为主，现在则推广种柚子。在3、4月造访西湖，就会闻到阵阵柚花香。文旦柚则要等到中秋节左右才吃得到。到西湖，除了可走访传统的客家三合院刘家老屋，还可参观纪念客籍铁血诗人的吴浊流艺文馆。
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
大家好，我是李煌。
你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And today, once again, we're going to ask our traveling expert for Hakka culture here in Taiwan, Leo, to tell us more about this town that we're talking about in Miaoli County. It's called 西湖。
西湖哦，挺有名的，先来讲吃的东西好。
又是吃的东西了，又肚子饿了。对，先讲一下西湖客家话是
西湖。
西湖 ，OK， 有什么吃的东西很有名的？
西湖挺有名的就会番薯。
哦，番薯吗？
对。
Oh, okay. You got to try out the yam when you go to Shihu. It's very, very famous over there.
还有哦，一个柚味嘛，当有名。
柚味哦，柚味又是什么了？
柚子。
Okay, that's the pomelo. Pomelo is also very well known in Shihu. And, there's actually a lot of ways to say 柚子。其实在国语里面，我们讲柚子也有说文旦嘛。那客家话也会这样子分吗？
会，讲法冇同样。柚子叫柚味，文旦我们讲文旦。
Oh, 文旦. Okay, there are actually two ways of describing or calling the pomelo, both in Mandarin and also in Hakka. It's either 柚子 Yue or 文旦文旦。通常如果要看柚子树要开花的话，到底是几月会比较好一点？
差不多应该是3、4月的这个时间。
哦 ，OK， 3、4月
的时候。
哦，那就是差不多现在了耶。
对啊。
Okay, so if you want to go around this time to go check out the pomelo trees with the flowers, and trust me, it's just beautiful over there. So again, let's review these terms. In 西湖，西湖，and there they have the very tasty yam. 有这个番薯可以来吃。
番薯，
这个对台湾人来讲应该很简单念哦。再来还有这个文旦或者是柚子，先从柚子开始的 pomelo.
柚味，
and if you want to call it 文旦。
文
旦, and those are all the things you can find in Shihu. And Shihu, by the way, is a very beautiful town to begin with anyway. So go check it out when you have time. And that does it for today's Let's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.